gotta get to my grandma's house to give her some bread and some apples and some stuff like that. Hey, who are you guys? We're the wolf pack. And the gang of harmful animals. Ha 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 ha. Gang, let's go. Haha, tiger. Moose. Dog. And wolf. And wolf. I'm just trying to get some food to my grandma because she's ill. Oh, so get out of my way. Why will we get out of your way? Because I'm trying to get to my grandma's. No, we will not get out of your way. Fine, I got a freaking gun. Die, little jerks. I better get out of here before they wake up. I shot him with a gun. Grandma, are you all right? Yes, I am fine. Here's your food. Oh, thank you for the food. I was dying to get the food. Well, I got it for you. And I ran into some trouble with some wolves and some harmful animals. Wolves. Oh yeah, they roam these forests a lot. But yeah, they roam them too much because this is like bad, really bad. I come to eat your grandma. Aha, I killed the grandma.